God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. My name is Leander Dominic, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this light in your Honda Hornet. Welcome to Linear Dynamic Garage. Before we get started, make sure you like my video and subscribe my channel. Tools required for LED installation: screwdriver, wire cutter, wire, insulation tape. You got your tools ready? Let's get the show on run. Step 1. Open the headlamp. Unscrew the 4th screw and remove the headlamp.
No one else sees. In the underground, we're living low-key. Can give you peace here in your mind. And as I found no place in the dead of night to come alive. Life is waiting on me.
And unplug the circuit of the headlamp. Step 2. Filament to LED. We need to replace the filament bulb with the LED. For that, you have to open the seal. Now check the connection of the LED bulb to the plug. Then open the bulb lock screw to remove the filament bulb and replace it with the LED.
Into the under.
Step 3. AC to DC. The two plugs under these sleeves are the circuit of light.
Burning hearts in darkest places.
The black plug is for high and low beam and the white plug for the rest. From these male part of the plugs coming from the source, we need to take out the black wire from the white plug and yellow wire from the black plug. This black wire is the DC line and yellow wire is the AC line.
Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the
With the help of a wire cutter, remove the insulations of the auxiliary wire and take a parallel connection from the black wire to the yellow wire of the female part of the black plug.
into the under.
properly insulate the AC yellow wire.
the other side. Follow me into the underground. Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the underground. Follow me down, me down. Follow me into the
Step 4. Assembly of the headlamp. Now plug in and close all the circuits and fit the headlamp. Before screwing the screws, check all the lights are working properly. Thank you my friends for watching my video, and a special thanks to my friend Vinny Jose, who is the owner of this bike and giving me an opportunity to upgrade the lamp.